Hi, I'm Mark Joseph, and I'm going to show you how to use your drop-down boxes to format your cells in Microsoft Excel. The first thing you want to do is select the cell that you want to format. If it's the entire document, you can actually click on the left corner and select the entire document, or just highlight an individual cell. And then as you look along the top of the ribbon, you'll see different formatting tabs and drop-down lists that you can select from. I'll go to the Format drop-down button, and I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and select Format Cells. Now here, this pop-up gives me the option to change the text that's within that cell to make it numbers. I can format the numbers, format the date. The next tab will let me align it either vertically or horizontally. I can change the font type. I can make it bold or italicize it. I can even fill the document with fill the cell with a particular color. And whichever it is you decide to do, you click OK and it's done. And that's how you format a cell using the drop-down boxes in Microsoft Excel.